Do you own an Alta Labs network with Alta Labs equipment, or maybe you're thinking of buying some Alta Labs network equipment? Well, in this video I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that you may or may not know that you can do in the Alta Labs network controller. So let's hop onto the computer behind me and I'll show you some tips and tricks on how to do things. So here we are at the Alta Labs dashboard for our network controller, and you'll see in the top right corner we've got the name home base. Now this is your site name. Now to change this from home base, all you do is click on the arrow, select site manager, and this will then take you in to the list of sites that you're managing. Of course you can add new sites in here. So if you're managing more than one network, say for example you have a network at your parents and your own network, then you can add say your parents or your friends networks in here, or other client networks you can also add in here in this site manager. So all you would do to switch between sites is select it at the top right corner and then choose the site what would appear in the list here. But to rename the site, all you need to do is either from the dashboard here, click the arrow and then select rename site, and this will bring up a rename site box. So all you need to do is change the name from home base to whatever site you want to call it. Or the alternative way of doing it is if you cancel this and again from the dashboard, select the arrow under the site name and select site manager, which will take you back into Site Manager where you can add more sites. And to rename it, all you would do is click on the name and then, for example, just rename it, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the mouse anywhere in a blank space, and that will rename the site. As you will see, we've now got MTT Lab, and in the top right corner we've also got MTT Lab in there. And also in this site manager, which you might find useful, it also tells you how many network devices you've got and if there's any updates for any devices that you manage in this site. As you can see, it's showing all updated. And also what you can do is copy a site. Now to do this within Site Manager again, all you do is select this icon here and it will ask you a confirmation message, copy site. Are you sure you want to copy MTT Lab site? So all you would do is click copy and it will create another site called MTT Lab, which of course you can then just rename and then use the other settings from this site in your new site. Did you know that in the top right corner here you'll see we've got the site name? Well, next to the site name you'll see we've got a little symbol there with the letter T inside. Now what you can do is actually change this to, for example, a logo. So to do this, all you need to do is click on this circle here with the letter in it and then select My Account. This will take you into your Alta Labs account where you'll see your password, logout option, delete account option, and also your name. Now, if you click to upload avatar here, then from your computer with the pop-up window that appears, you can select file on your computer, for example, a PNG image here or a JPEG image. Double click on it, it will upload the avatar, and then in the top right corner, you'll now see that the letter T in that circle has been replaced with your avatar. Say for example, you can use a business logo or anything in there. Say you own an IT company, for example, you could use your branding for your IT company so that when you log in, you see your branding there. So that's how easy it is to change your avatar in your site name. On the Alta Labs dashboard here, you'll see that we've got network activity and we have network activity selected. Well, if you select devices, it will then bring up a list of connected devices currently connected and also that have been connected to your Alta Labs network. So what you could do is in the devices, if you click on the icon for the device, it will then bring up the settings where you can quickly change the settings for various devices should you so wish. Now, to exit the device settings, all you would do is click the red X in the pop-up window and it will take you back to the list of devices. Now, if you want to go back to the network activity to show the live graph, then all you would do is click network activity here and it will take you back to the data. Now, what you can also do is for network activity, you'll see that it's selected real time. Now, if you want to view the total for example, 1 hour, you can select 1H here and it will give you the total data uploaded and downloaded through your network for the space of 1 hour. Now, if you want to do it for 2 days, you would select 2D and it will give you the total uploaded and downloaded in gigabytes there for the total of 2 days. Now, if you want to change it to, for example, 2 months, you can select 2M and then it will give you the data which has been uploaded and downloaded for a period of 2 months. And of course, this automatically updates as time goes on. So let's switch back to real time and then we have the real time graph of the data. Did you know that you can block specific data for applications going through your Alta Labs network? To do this, from the dashboard, all you would do is select Applications here, and this will take you into the applications that are using data through the network. So they're sending and or receiving data for these various protocols through your Alta Labs network. Well, if you want to pause it, for example, you want to stop DNS requests going through, so here, all you would do is go to the end of this line and click the pause button, and that will stop DNS requests going through your Alta Labs network temporarily. So to re-enable it, all you would do is click resume, and it will then proceed to allow DNS requests. So, of course, you'll also find that there's page numbers here. So you can scroll through the pages by using the next and previous buttons here, or just select the page number at the bottom here directly. So you'll see we've got YouTube DNS, WSD, Windows Update, Facebook, and various different applications and protocols. So if you want to pause any or all of these, just click the pause button next to each protocol. Now here we are in the network tab, and did you know that if you hover over various things in the list of network devices, it will show you a lot more information about each line in the list of network devices? Well, let's see this. For example, we've got an AP6 Pro Outdoor, so if we hover over the AP6 Pro Outdoor icon, it will tell you the official product name for that device. So if, for example, you rename the devices here by clicking on the name and changing the device name, and then, for example, if you can't recognize what the device actually is, then if you hover over the icon next to it, it will tell you what the actual official device is. So you'll see it's saying it's an AP6 Pro Outdoor. The next one down, you're saying it's a Route 10, and also the third one is the S8 PoE switch. Also, you can hover over the IP address and it will give you a lot more information. It will give you the MAC address and what it's connected to, and the connection, and also the connection MAC address as well. You can also do this under the load column. So if you click the little icon that looks like a microchip, you'll see we've got system load, memory used, and also the uptime for that device. So you could do it for each one and it will tell you the information. You can also do it for the access points. For example, we've got 144 here, which is the channel number broadcasting the SSID on, and we've also got number 1 here. So we can hover over 144 and you'll see we've got the power level, bandwidth, total load, TX and RX%, and also other APs broadcasting. And you can also hover over the status here and it will tell you the actual time. So that's the time at the moment, traffic, system load, number of devices that's connected, and also the channel load for hours and others. So you could also hover over the graph as well, and this will give you, as you move up and down the graph, it will give you the traffic and the time and the devices and the levels again. Now again, in the network devices here, so in the network tab, you'll see we've got our network devices. Now if you click on the icon next to each device, for example the AP6 Pro, it will bring a pop-up window with all the settings. Now if you want to make this pop-up window larger, then what you can do is click the green circle with the line through it, and it will make the window a lot larger. So for example, you can select Wi-Fi, settings, information, and do a network scan for other SSIDs broadcasting on your access point. So to close this, all you would do is click the red X in the pop-up window for the next item down, which is our route 10. We can click the icon again and then click the green circle with the line through it, and again it will bring a larger pop-up window. So you can do this for any device under the network devices under the network tab here. Well, I hope you found them useful. Anyway, that'll do it for this video, and I'll be back again soon with more videos on my YouTube channel on various subjects, and we'll get into some more Alta Labs tips and tricks in another video as well. And we'll also probably go in depth in other Alta Labs videos to show you various things, how to do things at length in the Alta Labs network. So thanks for watching this video, take care, and I'll be back again soon. Bye for now.